Hi guys, I have a new product today. It's this rechargeable hearing aid, and this is especially made for seniors and people with hearing loss. This is great because it's gonna help you listen a lot better. Well, your environment. It also has, let me open it and show you, but it has 110 hours long of battery, which is great because you don't need to be charging it, and the case itself is gonna charge the hearing aid, so this is perfect. So it comes with the case, which is also a charging case, user guide, operation guide, this cloth for cleaning it, and it has also a couple more accessories. So you need this to clean your ear canals before using them. This is very important. Also, you have the charging cable for the case. You have also different accessories. Oh, well, this is actually for blocking the sound, but you also have like accessories for different sizes. So if your ear canals are bigger or smaller, this is gonna help you fit perfectly as needed. And of course, you have like some cleaning tools. And yeah, that's it. So it's pretty simple and pretty easy to install. So let me show you. First time you're gonna use it, I already did it, but you need to charge it for 12 hours. And you have here like right and left, and you just put them inside. Oh well, I actually need to clean my ears first, just for demonstration because I already did. But here, let me open it and clean your ear canals easily before doing it. Okay, and now right and left. So let me put it inside, and this is amazing. Like, I'm hearing a lot more than I used to. And this button here, it's helping you to adjust the level. So you press it and it volumes. It has 4 levels, so this one is the max, like the 4th, and like once you click it, it goes down to the minimum, and it's, you know, it's different for each one, so you can configure this one and this one like per separate. So if you have hear loss more on this ear than this one, you can like set them as you need. And please join me because I'm hearing way better. So if I want to turn on the TV, that's great, but also if I want to go outside, I'm gonna hear way better. So this is incredible. It's like I'm living like in another reality. So now I can hear like so much clearer the noise of the cars, the wind, and whenever I'm home, I don't have to be screaming to hear someone else that's in another room. I'm gonna be able to hear him like being very, very far away. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I really love this product, especially for seniors and people that has hearing loss. This is an amazing product. I highly recommend it. Go ahead and buy it.